Good morning, students. So today we will discuss about paper 5 time series. Paper 5 time series. So time series or time series analysis. See, so what is the introduction of time series? So we know that the planning about future is very necessary for the every business firms, in every government, institutes, every individual, and for every country. Every family is also doing planning for his income and expenditures. As like every business is doing planning for possibilities of its financial resources and sales and for maximization its profits. So simply then how we are defining the time series? A time series is a set of observations taken at specified times, usually at equal intervals. A time series is a set of observations taken at specified times and usually at equal intervals. See, for example, we have produced any products. Maybe some products are taking the duration maybe weeks, some products taking the duration months, or some product taking duration what years. Okay, that means here we have to follow time and what is the series. Series means you can follow particular order. Okay, for example, any woman, what is there carrying any baby, that is maybe what is there we have to follow time and series, what is there first month, second month, third month up to ninth months. Okay, so you have to follow time and series and the again what is there you have to maintain equal intervals. So a time series may be defined as a collection of reading belonging to different time periods of some economics or composite composite variables. So time series establish the relation between cause and effects. One variable is time, which is independent variable, and the second data, which is a dependent variable. Okay. So in the time series, what are the variables we are using? So one is what independent and the other one is what dependent. See, for example, now see here, uh, days are there, Monday to Saturday, the number of packets of milk sold. Okay. Now we have to observe here. So what is the number of packets of milk sold at on Monday? 90, Tuesday 88, 85, 75, 72, Saturday 90 and 102. We'll take one more example. Suppose any company produce what is the population growth of different years. So for example 1921, so what is the population? 251 millions. 1931 279. So that means here the population may be increasing, what is there, step by step. But coming to previous examples here, in the different days the number of packets milk sold maybe what is there, there is no particular order. That means what is there, Monday 90 is there, next day I think decreasing, next day again decreasing, but again Saturday and Sunday again increasing. Okay, but here the generally in time series you have to follow time means what? So 19, 21, 31, 41, 50 time and series means what, a particular order. So in this example maybe the population growth may be increasing, what is there, year by year. So from example 1, it's clear that the sale of milk packets is decreased from Monday to Friday then again it's start to increase. Same think in example 2, the population is continuously what increase. Okay, so these are the different examples of time series. Now what is importance of time series analysis? As the basis of time series analysis, businessman can predict about the changes in economy. There are following points which clear about its importance. So now, profit of experience, safety from futures, utility studies, okay, sales forecasting, stock market analysis, process under quality control. I think you know that. So inventory studies, economic forecasting, risk analysis, evaluation of changes, census analysis, budgetary analysis, yield projects. Okay, so almost all in the in different these all fields. Then what is there? We are using what time series. Okay. Now the next topic. So what are the components of time series? So components are, you can call it as what a part of time series. Parts are components. The change which are being in time series, they are affected by economic, social, natural, industrial, and political reasons. Okay, so these components are affected by what is there? Economic, that means is as a financially, social, natural, industrial, and political reasons. These reasons are called the components of a time series. So basically, these components are parts. How many are there? Four. Okay, four components of time series are four parts of time series. So number one is secular trend. Number two is seasonal variation. Number three is cyclical variation. Number four is irregular variation. Okay, these are four important components of time series. So maybe examination point of view, maybe we'll expect what is a theory question. Define time series. What are the parts of time series? Or define time series. What are the components of time series? Okay, so this is what according to theory examination point of view, this is important. So now we will discuss about first one. What is a secular trend? Okay, what is a secular trend? Okay, see the increase or decrease in the moments of time series is called secular trend. See, already have seen what is the last two examples. The first one, the sales of milk in different days increasing, and different days again what decreasing or increasing. Okay, so maybe secular trend means what? So due to what is there different reasons or causes, what is there? Sometimes maybe increasing or sometimes maybe decreasing. The moments of time series is called secular trend. Okay, see, for example, we'll take what is their examples. In summer, maybe demand for cold drinks, ice creams. At rainy season, what is there? Demand for chai, tea, coffee, raincoats, umbrellas. That means what? But in the in the winter season or rainy season, what is there? There is no demand for cold drinks and ice creams. Okay, that means what? According to situations, conditions, but due to different social factors, so maybe these are occurring. A time series data may shows upward trend or downward trend for a period of years, and this may be due to factors like, so number one, for example, what is the example of secular trend? Increase in population. See, now you can take what is their maybe the governments are collecting census every 10 years once. Okay, so maybe after you can observe the population growth, maybe so year by year what is their increase. So increase in population, then change in technological progress, and third example, large scale shift in consumers' demands. So these are the different examples of a secular trend. See now here, for example, Population increases over a period of time, price increases over a period of years, production of goods and the capital market of the country increases over a period of years. These are the example of upward trends. That means what? So whatever examples we are taking under the secular trend, maybe what is there? I can take what is there up to 1 years. Okay, so maybe within days, within weeks, within months. Okay, these changes are not occurs. See, suppose the increase of the population. So any woman can carry the child, then maybe then what is the duration to give birth to child? Maybe it can take what more than near to a year or near to 9 or 10 months, 9 months. Okay, so that means what? So what are the examples are we can see in the secular trend? What is there approximately near to 1 year? The sales of commodity may decrease. Commodity means products maybe decrease over a period of time because a better product coming to the market. Okay, so for example, different markets are available in the different products are available in the markets. Okay, for some products demand is there, again after sometimes what is there is no demand for that product. Why? Because again with less cost, what is there, good quality products are available in the same. That's why there is that means what, the commodity may be decreased over a period of time because better products are coming in the market. This is the example of declining trend or downward. So declining means what? So comparing the products with the same product, same part is there, but less cost and having more quality comparing the previous product. So that's why maybe that products sales may be decrease. So that is called declining trend. What is there? Or downward trend. Okay, declining trend or downward trend. So this is about what a secular trend. First one. Number two, seasonal variations. Seasonal variations. Seasonal variations are short-term fluctuations in a time series which occur periodically in a year. This continues to repeat year after year. Okay. So season means particularly how many seasons are there? Summer season, winter season, rainy seasons. Okay, so maybe particularly three seasons are there. For each and every season, make it takes what is there, 4 months. 4 3s are 12. Okay, so now what is there? For example, summer season demand for what is there? Cold drinks, ice creams. Rainy season demand for umbrellas, coats. Winter season demand for chai, coffee, comparing. That means what? According to season, what is there? The changes are occur. The major factors that are weather conditions and the customs of people. So weather conditions means what? Summer, winter, rainy. Coming to customs of people. Customs are traditions. Okay. So what are the habits are there? For example, then some people are what is there? Every morning they are taking what? Tea or coffee. That is coming to habit. Or they are reading newspaper daily. That is also habit. So more woolen clothes are sold in winter than in the season of summer. Okay, comparing the summer seasons, what is there? The sales of woolen cloths are more and more in the comparing the summer. Okay, in what is the winter season? Each year, more ice creams are sold in summer and very little in winter seasons. Okay, so in summer season, what is the demand for? What is the ice creams and cold drinks? Okay, but there is no so demand for winter season. The sales in the departmental stores are more during festive seasons than in the normal days. The sales in the departmental stores are more during the festive season. See, for example, maybe so important festivals are there like Diwali. Okay, so maybe at the time of Diwali, demand for sweets and crackers. Okay, but in the remaining days there is no demand. Okay, so uh, these sales are the department stores are more during the festive season that in the normal days. Okay, comparing the normal days, so uh, in festival seasons, what is there, more demands are there. Okay, this is what is there. seasonal variations. Then coming to cyclical variations. Cyclical variations are recurrent upward or downward movements in a time series, but the period of cycle is greater than a year. Okay, see here maybe happening what upward and downward movements, but the duration is making taking what greater than year. So also these variations are not regular as a seasonal variations. Okay, so maybe seasonal variations are occurring, maybe changes in the variations maybe within a months. But here, the cyclical variations are taking movements in a time series, but the what is a greater than 1 year. Okay. So now, for example, these seasons are happening particularly in the business fields. Okay. A business cycle showing this auxiliary movements has to pass through the four phases: prosperity, recessions, depression, and recovery. See, for example, any person they start the business. Okay, start the business. That is called what is the first phase? That is called prosperity stays. Okay, so due to different reasons, maybe the sales are decreasing. Then again, will come to which position? Resistance, resistance. Okay, then again, what is there? Go to depressions. Then again, what is there? What are the drawbacks are there in the what is the sales are? Okay, they have to rectify, and again maybe you will come to recovery. So in business, there are four phases are completed by the passing one to another in the order. So in this graph, what is there on the x-axis time is there, y-axis level of real outputs. Okay. So now see here, this is line is called